My name is Hoda Mer. I'm co-founder and CEO of StockGuard, and this is season 1 of the How to Invest video series. By the end of this season, you'll have the knowledge and confidence you need to get started with long-term stock market investing. This video series is put together based on my own personal experience as a successful long-term investor. I've also had several hundred conversations with our users on StockGuard platform, as well as the members of Intelligent Investors Facebook group. Additionally, I have had several conversations with other successful investors, and I learned their strategies, plans, and tactics about how they make investment decisions. So I've included all of those in this How to Invest video series. Most importantly, I kept it simple and to the point so that you can get started and act to become an investor as soon as possible and as soon as you feel the confidence. This season has 8 episodes. Number 1, 7 principles of long-term investing you should be aware of before investing. Number 2, tools you need to own to make your life easier as an investor. Number 3, when and how to make a buy decision. Number 4, the gibberish words and phrases you need to understand on your brokerage account when you're investing. Number 5, how to diversify and how many stocks or investments you need to own in your portfolio. Number 6, how and how often to monitor your investments. Number 7, when and how to sell your investments. And finally, number 8, tax-related stuff you need to know to maximize your investment return. I suggest you binge watch through all these 8 videos as soon as possible so that you can get started as soon as you feel confident. Also, make sure to put any questions you have, comments or ideas in the comment section, and I'll make sure I'll answer all of them. Your questions and your comments may even get featured in the future episodes and future series. So get to ask your questions and comment as soon as you need to. Before I let you go, let me let you in on a secret. The most important thing you can do as an investor is to get started as soon as possible. If you look at the history of the stock market in the past 100 years, there has almost been no 20-year period where stock market investors lost money. I know that 20 years seems to be a long period of time, but the sooner you start, the faster you're going to get to that 20-year period time frame. As a long-term investor, you want to get started faster and stay invested in the market so that you can start generating wealth. The sooner you start, the faster you are on your path and journey to financial independence. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll see you next week.